Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech24, your go-to destination for the latest in tech news, reviews, and insights. Before we jump into today's exciting update, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Trust me, you're going to want to stay tuned for this one. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated launch of the Vivo Y200e 5G, set to make waves in the Indian market on February 22nd. Vivo India has already given us a sneak peek of what to expect, teasing the design and color options of this stylish handset. With its eye-catching diamond black and saffron delight shades, the Vivo Y200e 5G promises to be a statement of style and innovation. The saffron delight variant is particularly interesting, featuring a vegan leather finish with stitch-like crisscross patterns, while the diamond black appears to boast a textured finish, likely with a plastic back. This design philosophy not only sets the phone apart visually, but also adds a unique tactile experience for the user. But it's not just about looks. The Vivo Y200e 5G is expected to pack a punch with its specs. Rumors suggest the phone will sport a 6.67-inch Full HD Samsung AMOLED display, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits of peak brightness, ensuring vibrant visuals whether you're gaming or streaming your favorite shows. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 SoC is expected to power the device, paired with options of 6GB or 8GB RAM, which can be virtually expanded up to 16GB. This should provide plenty of power and flexibility for all your multitasking needs. Storage won't be an issue either, with 128GB on board, ensuring you have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. On the camera front, the Vivo Y200e 5G is rumored to feature a triple rear camera setup, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor, alongside a 16-megapixel front camera for all your selfie needs. And with features like an in-display fingerprint scanner, dual stereo speakers, and an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, the Y200e 5G is shaping up to be a robust all-rounder. Battery life is also a key highlight, with a 5000 mAh battery supported by 44W wired fast charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day without lengthy recharge times. All this is expected to come at a price under Rs. 20,000, making the Vivo Y200e 5G a highly anticipated launch for those looking for high-end features without breaking the bank. So, what do you think? Is the Vivo Y200e 5G going to be your next smartphone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, for the latest in tech, keep it locked to Tech24. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Catch you in the next one.